Potassium and vitamin B6. Hidden saturated fat equals silent load.
Fine post-workout, risky on empty stomach.
Real ingredients equal gentle digestion. Healthy label does not equal healthy inside.
We call it healthy because it feels like love.
This is a low glycemic, high fiber version of banana bread. It's not a bad, but most versions are dessert. Know what's inside.